Welcome to our video on the secret blueprint to achieving your first million. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're a seasoned investor looking to refine your strategy, this video is designed for you. We'll dive into the common mistakes that many people make on their path to wealth and how you can avoid them. From overspending to neglecting the power of compound interest, understanding these pitfalls is crucial for your financial success. But it's not just about avoiding mistakes. We'll also provide you with actionable financial advice that you can implement right away. We'll debunk some popular myths that often hold people back from reaching their financial goals. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it takes to build your wealth and the steps you need to take to get there. So, grab a notebook and get ready to unlock the secrets to your first million. 1. Understanding the millionaire mindset. Achieving financial success starts with the right mindset. A growth mindset is essential. It shapes how you approach financial decisions and investment strategies. When you believe that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work, you're more likely to take calculated risks and seize opportunities that others might overlook. Resilience and adaptability are also key traits of successful millionaires. Financial challenges are inevitable, but those who can bounce back and adjust their strategies are the ones who ultimately thrive. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as valuable lessons that can guide your future decisions. Cultivating a mindset focused on learning and continuous improvement is crucial. Embrace the idea that every experience, whether good or bad, contributes to your financial journey. By fostering a positive outlook and remaining open to new ideas, you'll not only enhance your financial acumen, but also position yourself for long-term success. Remember, your mindset is the foundation upon which your wealth will be built. 2. Common financial mistakes to avoid. When it comes to building wealth, avoiding common financial mistakes is crucial. One of the most frequent pitfalls is impulsive investing. Many people jump into investments without conducting thorough research, which can lead to significant losses. Taking the time to analyze market trends and understand the fundamentals of an investment can make all the difference in your financial growth. Another critical mistake is neglecting budgeting and financial planning. Without a clear budget, it's easy to overspend and lose track of your financial goals. A well-structured budget helps you allocate resources effectively and ensures that you're saving for the future. Additionally, ignoring diversification in your investment portfolio can be detrimental. Putting all your eggs in one basket increases risk and can lead to substantial losses if that investment underperforms. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, you can mitigate risk and enhance your chances of achieving steady financial growth. Recognizing and avoiding these mistakes is essential for anyone serious about building wealth. 3. Strategic investment tips. Making informed investment decisions is key to achieving financial success, and there are several strategies you can adopt. First and foremost, focus on long-term investments rather than chasing short-term gains. While it might be tempting to jump on the latest trend, sustainable wealth is built over time through patience and strategic planning. Understanding market trends and economic indicators is another crucial aspect of informed investing. By keeping an eye on factors like interest rates, inflation, and market cycles, you can make better decisions that align with your financial goals. Knowledge is power, and being aware of these trends can help you anticipate market movements. Lastly, don't underestimate the value of seeking mentorship or guidance from experienced investors. Learning from those who have navigated the market successfully can provide invaluable insights and help you avoid common pitfalls. Whether through formal mentorship programs or informal networking, connecting with seasoned investors can enhance your investment strategy and boost your confidence in making informed decisions. Building a sustainable financial plan. Creating a robust financial plan is essential for supporting wealth accumulation, and it all starts with setting clear financial goals and milestones. By defining what you want to achieve, whether it's buying a home, funding education, or retiring comfortably, you create a roadmap that guides your financial decisions. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound to keep you focused and motivated. Regular reviews and adjustments to your financial plan are equally important. Life circumstances change, and so do financial markets. By periodically assessing your progress and making necessary adjustments, you ensure that your plan remains aligned with your goals and current situation. This proactive approach helps you stay on track and adapt to any challenges that may arise. Lastly, prioritize saving and investing consistently over time. Even small, regular contributions can compound significantly, leading to substantial wealth in the long run. By committing to a disciplined saving and investing strategy, you lay a strong foundation for your financial future and enhance your chances of achieving your goals. In this video, we've explored the essential components of achieving your first million, starting with the right mindset. Remember, cultivating a growth mindset is crucial for making informed financial decisions and overcoming challenges. We also discuss common mistakes to avoid, such as impulsive investing, neglecting budgeting, and ignoring diversification. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you can set yourself up for success. We shared strategic investment tips, emphasizing the importance of long-term planning, understanding market trends, and seeking mentorship from experienced investors. These actionable insights can help you navigate your financial journey more effectively. Now it's time for you to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content. Together, let's build a community focused on financial growth and empowerment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.